In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get refund from Hostinger 2026, return Hostinger hosting and domain, Hostinger refund. We'll walk through the exact screens inside Hostinger's H panel so you can request a refund for your web hosting and your domain. I'll also point out what to look for in Hostinger's refund policy so you know what to expect before you contact support. First, sign in to your Hostinger account and open the H panel. If you're checking eligibility, open a new browser tab, go to your search engine and type Hostinger refund policy. Click the top result that takes you to Hostinger's official policy page. Take a minute to read it carefully. It explains the time window for refunds, which products are eligible, and any exceptions that may apply to domains and add-ons. Knowing this ahead of time helps the chat go faster and sets the right expectations. When you're ready, go back to the H panel. In the left or top menu, open billing, then choose subscriptions. You'll see every active subscription tied to your account. To prevent new charges while you request your refund, start with your domain. Click the arrow next to the domain you want to return. Choose Disable Auto Renewal and confirm when prompted. That stops the domain from renewing again. Next, repeat the same process for your hosting plan. Select your hosting subscription. Click the arrow to expand the options. Choose Disable Auto Renewal and confirm. Turning off auto renewal for both the domain and the hosting makes sure you won't be billed again while support processes your request. Now it's time to reach out to Hostinger's team. At the top of H panel, click the question mark icon to open Help. In the topic dropdown, select Billing and then pick I want a refund. Click Start a live chat to connect with an agent. Once you're in the chat, clearly explain that you'd like to cancel your hosting and your domain and request a refund. Keep the conversation polite and concise. If the agent asks for details such as the plan names or recent invoices, provide the information shown on your subscriptions page. The representative will review your account, confirm eligibility based on the policy you read earlier, and guide you through the final confirmation. After approval, refunds are issued by Hostinger, and the timing can vary depending on your payment method. And that's it. By checking the policy, disabling auto renewal, and starting a live chat under billing with the I want a refund topic, you can request a refund for both your hosting and domain on Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you.